Welcome everyone and thank you for joining today. In this session, we are going to explore how BoldSign AI Search helps you find documents and templates using simple and natural language. If you work with a large number of contracts, HR documents or internal forms, you probably know how much time can be spent searching for the right document. AI search helps to reduce that effort by allowing you to describe what you are looking for in a plain language. By the end of this session, you'll understand how AI search fits into BoldSign and how you can use it to quickly locate the right documents and templates so that you can move your work forward. So before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Gayatri, working as software developer in BoldSign. I will be walking you through today's session and you don't have to wait until the end to ask questions. We have a team live in the chat answering your questions as we go. So please feel free to drop your questions anytime. So here is what we are covering today. First, we'll start with an introduction to AI search and why it's easier than traditional searching. Then, we will look at how it works in simple terms, followed by some real-world search examples for documents and templates. After that, we will move into a live demo where you can see the feature in action. Before we move forward, here is a quick poll. How do you currently search for documents in your workflow? Your options are: I use filters manually, I scroll through lists, I rely on titles or tags. Please select your answer. That's great. Thank you all for your responses. So what exactly is AI search? AI search is built right into the BoldSign you already use, like My Document, Share Documents and Templates. Instead of selecting multiple filters one by one, you can simply type something like documents waiting for my signature or contracts sent last month or templates updated this week. And BoldSign instantly understands your intent and brings the right results forward. It recognizes the details such as document status, people involved, time period, and document type. You can even think of it like talking to a helpful teammate who already understands how your BoldSign documents are organized, and it quickly brings the right items for you. So now let's compare the traditional search method with the AI search. When you search for a document manually, you usually try to remember the name or use different filters. But even a small mistake in the title, keyword or filters can stop the file from showing up. So finding the right document becomes slow and frustrating, especially when you have a lot of files. With AI search, you simply describe what you need. BoldSign automatically applies the relevant filters in the background. You can then refine the results naturally by adding the details like a specific time period, a person's name, or a document type. This makes the entire searching experience much faster and much more efficient, especially when dealing with many documents. You might be wondering, does AI search replace filters? The answer is no. Filters are still available if you prefer to use them. AI search simply removes the need to remember and combine them manually for most searches. So now, let's briefly understand how AI search works. When you type a sentence, BoldSign focuses on understanding the meaning behind your request. For example, if you say something like documents waiting for my signature, the BoldSign's AI search understands that you are looking for the document where your signature is pending. If you mention a time period such as last week, it recognizes the time range. If you include a person or role, it understands who is involved in the document. Behind the scenes, BoldSign automatically applies these conditions and displays the result that match your request. If the results look too broad, you can simply add another detail. If they feel too narrow, you can remove a condition. So the BoldSign's AI search adapts your request just like a natural conversation. So now, let's look at some practical examples. Some of the document search examples are: Document waiting for my signature. This is helpful when checking pending tasks in the morning. Contract sent last month but not signed. This helps to identify the documents that require follow-ups. Show MSA documents from Sarah updated in the last 7 days. Here, we combine document type, person and time. Inactive documents with no activity in the last 30 days. This helps to identify the stale documents. And some of the template search examples are HR templates updated this week, templates updated last month, templates where the signer role is reviewer. The key idea is that we can start with a simple query and then add more details if needed. So now let's move to the demo section. Before I start showing the AI search, I just want to briefly connect this with how we usually search manually. When we perform a manual search, we typically need to apply several filters step by step. So let me show how that works first. I will navigate to my documents page. For example, if I want to find the document sent last year that are signed and marked as onboarding, here is what I need to do manually. Select the status as completed, choose the date range to last year and choose the onboarding tag. So now we can see the manual search involves switching between different filters and combining them one by one to get the final result. So now let's see how AI search improves this. With AI search, we don't need to remember and apply the each filters manually. Here you have the AI search bar. Instead of selecting multiple filters individually, we can simply type a sentence like document sent last year that are signed and marked as onboarding. Now I'll run the search. As you can see, AI search has automatically understood all these conditions, time range last year, status signed and the tag onboarding, and it displays exactly the matching documents. So the main difference is manual search requires multiple steps, whereas the AI search gives the same result with a single sentence. So now let's try a slightly more detailed query. I'll start by typing document sent last month but not signed. Let me run the search. Now you can see all the documents that were sent last month and still pending. Here we are combining time-based and status-based condition in a very natural way. Next, let me refine the search further. I will type document sent last month but not signed by Steve James. After running the search, you can see the documents that were sent last month are not signed, especially associated with Steve James as a signer. This shows how easily we can narrow down the results by combining date, status and signer name. Next, let me show how we can search based on view status. I will type viewed by any signer but not yet completed. As you can see, all the documents that have been viewed by at least one signer but are still incomplete are displayed here. This is especially useful when you want to track the documents that are in progress and identify where follow-ups may be required. So next, let's look at some recipient-based search. So now I'll type document sent to Kathy Sam and Matthew Wilson at cubeflex.com as a CC. After running the search, you can see all the documents where Kathy Sam is a recipient and Matthew Wilson is added as a CC. This makes it easy to find the documents based on specific recipients or CC participants. So with these examples, you can see how easily we can combine multiple conditions, search using time and status, and get the results instantly, all without using manual filters. The same AI search option is available in team documents, enabling you to search the documents in the same simple and intuitive way. So now, let's move to the template search. AI search works in the same way for templates as well. You simply describe what you're looking for and the system understands it instantly. So now I'll navigate to All Templates page. Here we also have the AI search option. Let me start with this query. List templates created this year. I will run the search. As you can see, all the templates created during the current year are displayed here. So now, let's try another example. I will type templates with the role of employee. Let me run the search. Now you can see all the templates associated with the employee role. Finally, let's combine role and time-based conditions. Templates with the role of employee and created in the last 2 months. After running the search, you can see all the templates that match both conditions, those that include employee role and were created within last 2 months. So, this is how we can easily search and retrieve both documents and templates using the AI search feature. So here, the key takeaway is you don't need to remember the exact filter names or values. You simply describe what you're looking for and the BoldSign AI search takes care of the rest. This makes the entire process much simpler, faster and more user-friendly. The same AI search option is available in both My Documents and My Templates and Share Templates, making it easy to search the templates using the natural language. So now let's move to the next section. So here are a few simple tips to get the best results from the AI search. Use simple and natural language. Start with a broad query and then add more details if needed. Use time and status words such as updated this week or waiting for my signature. Add sender or signer only when narrowing. Use not to exclude the results you don't need. And if the results are not exactly what you expected, try adjusting one more small detail in your query. So before we wrap up, here is a final poll. Where do you think you'll use AI search first? Your options are daily document lookup, template management, follow-ups and tracking, team-wide workflows. Please select your answer. Great. Thank you all for your responses. Our team has been answering your questions in the chat throughout the session, and now we will continue to respond live now. Before that, if you'd like to stay updated on the latest features, tips, and product news from BoldSign, be sure to follow us on social media. We regularly share updates, how-to videos, and helpful content across all platforms. Just search for BoldSign or Syncfusion and hit that follow or subscribe button. BoldSign brings your document workflows together in one place, and whether you are already using BoldSign or exploring it for the first time, this is a great time to start trying out AI search in your own workflows. If you'd like to request a personalized demo of BoldSign or explore any more feature in more detail, you can do that anytime through this link. Thank you again for joining today. I hope this session helps make your document and template search faster, simpler, and much more efficient.